Hey, welcome back to InfoGamer. For this video, I have a new update to our collaborative project. But first off, I've got some big news, and that is we're going to open this project up to everybody. This is how I should have had it from the very beginning, especially for this first project, because this project's really just about participation and having fun. And I'm limiting the fun if I only make it available for members. This project's also about giving an opportunity to those of you that are just starting out with Unity and would like to work on a project that's a little bit bigger than what you might be doing on your own. And I realize there's a bunch of you that are probably currently in that boat where you're just starting out with Unity and game development, and I don't want to expect you to become a member just to participate in this project. And I'd love for everybody to get involved with this project because it's just about having fun and gaining some experience, no matter how little or how much you do for the project. Now, the first change that I've made to this project is I've added a new level, and this level is a big maze of ramps and platforms with the goal to get to the bottom of the maze. When building this level, I was thinking about the relativity drawings of MC Escher and how he just has a bunch of staircases that are all interwoven. The next change that I've made to this game is that I've now prevented players from being able to cheat and just jump down to the bottom of the level. And I did this by making it so if the ball is falling faster than a certain speed, when it hits the ground, it just shatters into 100 pieces, and then the player gets a game over screen. Now at this point in time, you might think that all the levels in this game are pretty boring, and that's because I haven't quite finished all of them. I'm definitely going to add more to each level. But a big part of the gameplay is going to be multiplayer, so as you play through these levels, just imagine having 50 to 100 other marbles rolling around at the same time. Now remember, if you'd like to participate in this project and help me build levels, then check out the project page linked in the description below. If you like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to keep up to date with all the future updates of this game, then make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.